Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how you can create a new subdomain in your website and install WordPress in it. So for this you just need to log into your cPanel using your web hosting username and password. This is my cPanel, and herein you just need to scroll down. Here under domain you can see this subdomains option. Just click over it. Here you can write the subdomain name, like this is my second level domain cricklbw.com, and here I am just creating post, so it will be like post.cricklbw.com. so here you can see, just type in post, click outside and just need to click on create. It will take some time to create it. Now you can see success, post.cricklbw.com has been created. So now just try to view it. It will show like this, site cannot be reached. So for this I need to install WordPress in it. So how I will do it, I'll just show you. I again go back to the home of my cPanel. To install WordPress I need to scroll down once again. In this option SoftwareCoolers apps installer, here I need to click on this option WordPress, and after coming here I need to click on. So here you need to just click on this, scroll down, click your third level domain which we had recently created. Just remove this thing in directory and scroll below. You can write your site name, write anything as per your wish. And herein you can see admin username and password. Just copy this thing. You can change this username password later on. Set the language, manage plugins from here or later on as per your desire. Enter the email ID, click on install. So it will take some time during the installation process. Once the installation process is complete, it's saying that WordPress has been successfully installed to post.cricklbw.com, to my third level domain. But this will not open right now. You need to install any theme. Like you can see, this is working and it's working, but you need to install any theme. You can log in from here. You can log into your WordPress account, and by entering this admin and password, install any theme you want. You can just install a sample theme and later on you can change it as per your wish. As of now it is showing like this. So I will install a sample thing just to show you how it works. In theme section you can go here. You can still activate this theme as of now, just to show you a sample. So this theme is activated. Now I'll just refresh this third level domain. So it will look like this. So I can change my theme and customize my third level domain in my WordPress accordingly as per my needs. So now I hope you will be able to create a third level domain and able to install WordPress in it. So in case you face any problem, just comment below and I will try my best to resolve your query. In case you like my video, just subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching this video, friends. Bye bye and take care.